What's going on, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy Big Mac, and welcome to another show. Today on the menu, we have Louisiana Famous Fried Chicken. I have some chicken wings, whole chicken wings. And I also have some lemon pepper wings that they sell. And on the side, I have the sweet and sour sauce that is the buzz of the mukbang community right now. I got a little hot sauce, and then also I have some fries. I ordered the fries with no salt because I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning and some garlic jalapeno seasoning. So we're gonna say our prayer, we're gonna get started. Amen. So let's get it in. I don't know about y'all, but I love Cajun fries. And then this garlic jalapeno by Weber is A1. Man, I've been seeing people eating this these wings with this sauce. I'm like, I gotta do it. It really do be good with this sauce. Oh, so let me warn you guys now. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one where I'm gonna be smacking. Because the last one, I didn't know I was smacking it hard until I watched the playback. So, yeah. So this one probably gonna have some smacking. Them little tips. I got this from Louisiana Famous Fried Chicken, but the one by my house is also a Chinese food shop. So they sell Chinese food, chicken, and fish. Dripping down my face. So how y'all doing out there, my little snack wraps? How's y'all day going? By the time you guys see this, I would have filmed my seafood boil before. But actually this is before, but it's not coming out to after. So, how'd you guys enjoy the seafood boil? These are the lemon pepper wings. Now, I don't particularly call myself a bone cleaner because I'm not, but sometimes I do clean a bone by accident. I can already tell this one I'm gonna be smacking. I can hear it this time. Now, people always ask this question: which do you like, flats or drums? I like chicken. I eat them, the flats, drums, the tips. It's all good to me. Of course, the flats are funnier to eat because of the way you have to eat them. I've seen Eva Q eat these, B-Love, Prissy P, KC Connection. I think Beast Mode. And the other night, I seen who did I see? I seen somebody eat it. I forget. But this red sauce. And look what I got with me today. Babe, she's back from vacation. Woo! That's Babe right there. I like Louisiana the best out of all the other chicken spots because theirs is a little spicy. Now, this Louisiana also sells Chinese food that you could get for the low, and you get a lot. Unlike Panda Expense. At this Louisiana, you could get 2 entrees, rice, and chow mein filled to the brim for like $7. They also sell some good fish as well. All right, you guys, so let me tell y'all what just happened to me. I just went and got my hair cut. And I know I have like a dry scalp and that's why I use Head and Shoulders and T-Gel. But I didn't know it was like this. I think I have psoriasis of the scalp, so I gotta talk to my doctor about it. But I got I'm gonna get the you know the style today where it's like braided up here and just faded or whatever on the sides and stuff. That's what I'm got. So I get out the chair thinking I'm looking cute. All of this is ashy and flaky and rashy all around my head, and I didn't know until I got home. So I walk out the barbershop thinking I'm looking cute. Looking like an ashy Larry. Boy, get your ashy head up out of here. I was retroactively embarrassed. Oh, let me tell you guys. But dang, by the time you probably see this, it'll probably be over. I was gonna tell you guys about Burger King doing you gotta go on the app, and they had 1 cent Whoppers, but you had to order it in the McDonald's parking lot, like within 600 feet of McDonald's. Yeah, it's weird. But I'm gonna do that. Well, yeah. But by the time you guys see this, it gotta be over. Unfortunately. I love chicken. It's stereotypical, but whew. Excuse me. Who ever thought of this? Genius. The two people I've seen do it first, I don't know if they were the first, but was Eat With Q and Be Love. I always look back at it in the video and always have something on my face. Guess I'm the bone cleaner today. Excuse me. So what are you guys out there eating today? Comment down below. And also comment, do you like flats, drums, or both? And also, what's your favorite flavor of wings? When I do flavors, I like either buffalo, garlic parmesan. I think garlic parmesan over everything. I'm sorry, I'm not doing a lot of talking in this video. Oh. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I have 2 of these wings left, and I have 2 of the bacon stuff and some fries. Whew. Got crumbs all on my shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video. This was delicious. I really did enjoy making this video. But as always, guys, until we meet again, or until we eat again, my little snack wraps, it's your boy Big Mac signing out. Peace.